Hey there, tech-loving friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive into one incredible product that's been making waves in the gaming and PC communities, the CRUA 49 curved gaming monitor. This thing is a beast, folks. A 49-inch curved gaming monitor with a whopping 1500 R curvature, it's designed to immerse you in your games like never before. The curved shape wraps around your field of view, allowing you to see more of what's happening on screen at once. It's like having two screens at once. The ultra-wide ratio of 32:9 means you can fit an entire movie scene or a massive game map across that enormous display. But it's not just about looks, this monitor packs some serious punch under the hood too. With a resolution of DQHD 5120 by 1440, you're getting crystal clear detail that'll make your eyes feel like they're floating on a sea of pixels. And with 144 Hz per 165 Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync tech, you can enjoy ultra-smooth gameplay that's perfect for esports, competitive gaming, and even video streaming. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what does it mean to have 120% sRGB color coverage? Well, let me break it down for you. That means this monitor can display a wider range of colors than your average monitor. Imagine watching an HDR movie on a screen that's almost indistinguishable from reality. That's what 120% sRGB is all about. It's perfect for graphic designers, video editors, and anyone who wants to see the full beauty of their content. And don't even get me started on the brightness and contrast ratio. With 330 candelas per square meter brightness and a whopping 3000:1 contrast ratio, you'll be seeing deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and vibrant colors like never before. It's like having a tiny piece of Hollywood in your living room. But what really sets this monitor apart is its flexibility. The height-adjustable stand allows you to tilt and lift it up for optimal comfort, and the HDMI 2.1 and DP 1.4 ports make it compatible with advanced PCs and laptops. Plus, it's wall mount compatible. If you're one of those people who likes their gear mounted up on the wall, this is perfect for you. Now, I know some of you might be thinking about accessibility features. Well, let me tell you, CRUA 49 has got your back. The monitor comes with low blue light and flicker-free technology that'll reduce eye strain during long sessions. It's like having a personal assistant to keep you comfortable while you're gaming or working. And finally, the customer service is top-notch. If you have any questions or need help with anything, just head over to their website and they'll be there in no time. So, what do I think of this incredible monitor? Well, let me tell you, it's a game changer. The immersive curved display, combined with its lightning-fast performance and accurate colors, makes it an absolute must-have for anyone serious about gaming or content creation. Trust me when I say that you won't be disappointed. So, if you want to get your hands on this incredible monitor for yourself, click the link below and check out the best price. Happy gaming, and I'll catch you all in the next video.